Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right, stay seated. Have you seen the defendant, Mr. Lecter?
I have not seen her, Your Honor, but I asked your court officer at the security desk, and he said in his spicer checked in. We haven't been able to find her off. She's in the restroom.
Your Honor, we did get a call. I just a few moments, well, about a minute to 2 minutes ago, that she indicated she was 5 minutes out. There was some traffic backup, and she should be here in 5.
Your Honor, Will says she checked in, but she's not in the courthouse. I don't know where she went.
So she's in the courthouse, I'm told, but you're telling me she called 2 minutes ago and said that she was 5 minutes out?
Yes, Your Honor. Linda just spoke with her. I mentioned it to the courtroom as soon as she had hung up with her. You weren't in the courtroom at the time.
Ready on those other arraignments?
I don't have no other paperwork around. I don't have nothing.
So she checked in. But
Well, she checked in with Will, but she's not. As of 2 minutes ago, she wasn't in the court. So we checked her. Checked her bathroom.
so she must have checked in. And
She must have left.
Well, I mean, I guess if you want to go back down, Amy, I don't know what to tell you. And give her 5 minutes and I'm defaulting. What's that? I thought we were. What the hell is going on here? How would somebody come in and then leave?
We don't know 100% true.
What's that?
I mean, it's possible Will highlighted the wrong person or something.
All right, I'm going to come back out in a few minutes. I don't know what else to tell anybody here. Stay seated.
But she just walked in. Spicer?
Stay seated.
Court is back in session.
We took her out.
Oh, jeez. Did I walk in the courtroom in your office today?
Me?
Yeah, I'm looking for my glasses.
On her face.
What's that? I know I got another paper. This
No.
black.
I don't think you're getting it.
I don't think you came in with glasses on.
I don't think you were in my office though.
Record. Owners Management versus Justice Spicer. 2502423.
Morning, Your Honor. Attorney David Wagner, number 67994 on behalf of owners, man.
Your name, ma'am?
Justice Spicer?
All right. You ready to proceed?
Yes.
No resolution?
No, Your Honor, we tried, made an offer of Spicer doesn't, she chose not to accept it, so.
Okay, good enough. You wish to give an opening statement?
Just briefly, Your Honor, I believe that after all the evidence is shown today, there'll be evidence to terminate Spicer's lease. Over the course of the tenancy, it's our contention that she violated the terms of release 3 times. Two recent ones are serious in nature, and closing testimony we're going to ask that her tenancy be terminated because of those breaches of lease.
All right. Man, do you wish to give an opening statement where you tell me your theories about the kids?
Just like I
I'm
told
just going to ask you to stand up if you would, please.
just like I told him, there was a situation where my cousin was getting bullied by this girl Sierra at like in the complex, and the girl actually physically hit my cousin and gave her black eye, sent her to the hospital, and that is why me and the girl Sierra even had a dispute in the first place. Nothing ever got physical. We had a verbal disagreement. I don't know what they're talking about with a knife and hitting a door or whatever they're talking about, but that never happened. I do take accountability for getting in an argument with her, but it was an argument that got dropped, and we're cool now.
What are your other theories, Mr. Wagner?
Like, I'm not.
Wait 1 second. Tell me what your theories are. You said violations of the lease rules. What violations?
Yes, Your Honor. Violation. So according to the lease under tenant guest conduct that will be admitted in the testimony, admitted as evidence, residents and guests are not permitted to engage and participate in or conduct activities which interfere with the quiet, peaceful enjoyment of the property of the residents. We'll have testimony and evidence showing that Mr. Spicer egged another tenant's car in April this year.
That tenant was the girl I
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait
I
a
did
minute.
not do
Wait a minute. Just wait.
It's not
Please.
fair.
Ma'am, now listen to me. You're not going to interrupt me. You're not going to tell me what's fair and not fair. Now, I asked him a question. He's answering the question. Will you please just refrain? I'm going to be fair with you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
So that was the second. That was the second incident.
The first one you acknowledged, was it truthful that you were referencing the argument that she had with this other lady?
I don't know. One of the incidents, the more serious incident that happened before the egging, it's alleged that Ms. Spicer stabbed a tenant's door with a knife and cut her screen. And the testimony will show that Ms. Spicer was standing in the parking lot in the early hours in the morning, yelling for this woman named Sierra. So she said Sierra. So I assume that there was some kind of altercation with this other tenant, Sierra, or what that altercation was about.
Ma'am, you cannot interrupt. Just let him finish. I promise you, I'm going to give you time to speak.
So the witness is going to testify that she was woken up by Ms. Spicer yelling in the parking lot about this other tenant named Sierra, that she had a knife and that the tenant's screens were cut under the windows and that her door was stabbed. We have evidence, picture evidence of the door with marks in it, cut out from the stabbing.
So you got her engaged in an argument, egging a car, and stabbing a screen
and a door.
and a door.
Yes, sir. There was the first incident is from 2013, December. It was
Of 2013?
Yes, it was the first incident. So, and it was also damaging of patio screens and disturbing
Which one was from 2013?
the one I just mentioned. These two are from 2025, April of this year. So nothing was done
Slow
about
down.
the 2023.
The 2023 is the screen cut.
It was a damage to a screen. I don't know if it was cut or not. We can get evidence of the.
So I just want to make sure I've got this straight. You
I
got
understand. The 2023 incident was issued, a warning was issued, but no action was taken. No action was taken.
slow down.
The two-
You need to slow down.
Sure.
You told me 2013.
No, it was 2023.
So the screen cutting and door stabbing happened in 23.
No, 25, April of this year.
All right. Which one happened in 23?
It was a disturbing the peace and destruction of a screen patio. I don't know how it was damaged, but it was another screen being damaged. But like I said,
All right. I don't mean to sound simple here.
Sure.
You got an egging, you got a screen being cut and a door being stabbed in 25, right?
Correct.
And the other thing you've got is her arguing with somebody in 23 or 25.
Well, the arguing was preceded the door and screen incident and the egging, I would assume, in 25. The incident in 23 was.
Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Is this other lady still living there?
Which other lady?
The one that she allegedly got in the argument and whose car she egged. Is it a car? Was it a car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got pictures of
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm going to try to help you. If you won't, if you don't, just this is a courtroom right now. We're not in a bar. Mr. Lechner.
Yes, sir.
How long ago did these 2025 incidents occur?
April.
All right. So we're here in September, close to September. You're talking about 8 months, 8.5. Has anything else transpired?
4 months, Your Honor.
Well, yeah, right. Okay. What am I thinking? Jeez. With time's flying. 4 months. Has anything else transpired in that time?
It hasn't, Your Honor, but this would have been, I don't know if the court remembers, Ms. Spicer didn't show up for a hearing in July. She was defaulted and she filed a motion set aside default. So this would have been handled over a month ago, but for that. So it's not that the owner's management was sleeping on their
No,
rights.
I'm not saying you were. I'm not suggesting that. Forgive me if you're taking it that way. That's not the way I intended it. This lady, her name is what? The victim on these incidents?
Well, we don't have the car, Jose. We don't have the owner of the car. The woman whose door was stabbed, she's on the Zoom testifying.
Well, wait a minute. You don't have the person who had the car. You don't have any witnesses to establish she had the car.
We do. We have someone from management who watched her here today.
Okay. So you got somebody to testify that she had the car.
Yes, sir.
You got somebody else to testify that her door got stabbed.
Yes, sir.
And this individual whose car she had, that was a relation. This was an assault between her cousin and this lady. Did I understand that correctly? Yes.
And management didn't do anything about it.
Well, wait a minute. Did anybody give thought to call the police?
My cousin did. She went to the hospital.
She called the police?
Yeah, she went to the hospital.
Did she get, did the other person get charged?
Not at all.
All right. But here's the thing. You cannot take the law into your own hands, young lady. You don't get to be judge and jury out there, ma'am. Have there been other problems with this tenant?
This is Daniel Workman. He's the regional manager.
What's your name, sir?
Daniel Workman?
Workman?
Yes.
Have there been other incidents with this young lady?
To the best of my knowledge, just those 3 incidents.
Well, the one goes back 2 years, right?
December of 20.
So a year and a half, year and 8 months. I'm just asking. I shouldn't be getting involved. I'm the fact finder here. But it doesn't sound like it's been that horrific. I'm not saying she has the right to play FBI agent on her own and start engaging in conduct that's illegal as retribution for the fact that her cousin got assaulted allegedly. But you don't have the right to do that. You know that, right? Right? Now, don't admit that you did anything here because there's criminal ramifications. Can you guys not consider a dismissal with the understanding that she's going to engage in wholesome conduct and not act like she's a police officer. You know you weren't a police officer, right? Well, you can't do these things. You cannot do these things.
I understand.
I hope you do. You can't. You seem like a nice girl. Do you work?
I do check.
Okay. I mean, do you work at that? I mean, you make money?
I'm mostly doing for family right now because I'm practicing today.
Do you have another job?
Not a,
How are you eating? Do you have kids?
I have a 3-year-old.
How are you eating? I want somebody. Pardon?
I get food assistance. Like my family, you know.
Did you graduate high school? You got to find a good job. Now, I don't mind if you do tattoos, if that's what you're gonna. That's fine if that's what you can make a living at. You got a 3-year-old as the father in the life of the child? No, right? He's not. You have to answer out loud.
No.
You got to be careful. There's a bunch of irresponsible people out there, right? Think they can have kids and leave them. I don't get it. I don't understand it, but that's a different whole story. Would you think about doing that?
Your Honor, what I can do is I spoke with Mr. Workman. He can't make that offer right now. He has to round up the chain of command. So
Do you understand? You're not out here. I get it. Do you understand that you don't get to engage in conduct because you disagree with what the management company did or the police are or are not doing?
I totally agree.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
Well, you can't do this. Don't act like that. Seriously, please. How old are you?
I'm 20.
You got 70 years ahead if you want them. 65 minimum.
And since the situation, I've been trying to stay to myself and not getting it.
Okay, I get it, but just try to learn a lesson, you know? We all go through life and we make mistakes. And if somehow, some way they do this, just try to learn a lesson from it. Listen, we all continue to learn. All of us, every single day, how to treat people better, how to do. But you can't do that. If you want to be a police officer, go to the police academy. But you don't have the right to inflict damage on others because somebody did something you don't think they should have done, and somebody else failed to take some action that you feel that they should have taken, whether it's the police or the management company. Are we with one another? How long of an adjournment do you need?
I don't. 5. Give us 10 minutes, Your Honor.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Make your calls. I hope I'm making sense to you.
No, I get it. I don't get it. I just,
Okay.
I acted on it once.
All right. Well, don't admit anything. Don't admit to anything. Those are criminal actions. And you don't want to admit to anything in here. Okay. Now, if you get sworn to an oath, I'm going to probably tell you need a lawyer because you're going to incriminate yourself by testifying, yes, I egged the car, or yes, I stabbed the door or cut a screen, or a combination thereof. So don't say anything against your interests right now. I'm going to try to help you, but you got to promise me if I go out of my way like this, that if somehow, some way they do this, that you're going to act like a nice resident and you're not going to look for trouble and you're not going to mess with management or anybody else.
I've been doing everything I can to fix.
Okay. All right. Listen, we all make mistakes. Honestly, it's okay. Go relax, take a deep breath, get a drink of water. He'll come back in here in a few minutes. I'll be ready here. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Force back inside.
All right. Stay seated. I'm sorry. Recalling Owners Management versus Spicer, 2502423. Mr. Lechner?
Yes, Your Honor. I had an opportunity after Mr. Workman spoke with the new region leaders made the following offer of condition dismissal of Ms. Spicer. She chose to accept it. Terms are that the case will be dismissed as of today. And then, on the paragraph 3, it's going to state that, the organization party agreed to a 6-month probationary period should tenant have a clear violation released within the next 6 months, through the end of, basically through the end of, February 2026. Bank will file a 7-day notice to quit along with the PDF proceedings, paragraph 4A to reinstate this matter. The party specifically waived the 54-day rule. Spicer
56-day rule.
I did not explain 56-day rule to the Spicer.
Ma'am, I'm going to explain this to you. Do you understand that the case will be dismissed today?
Yeah.
Do you understand you're going to be on a probationary period? The case will be conditionally dismissed. So long as you don't violate any of these rules and regulations, the 6-month probationary period will elapse. The case will remain dismissed. If you do something in violation of the rules and regs, then they can file a separate affidavit or motion to set aside the dismissal, prepare a new well, actually, it should be, you said a 7-day notice to quit?
They said a 7-day notice given where we are with this. It shouldn't be a 30-day notice since we're
Well, actually, you don't even have to file a 7-day notice. You can just
reinstate the case.
motion to reinstate. Then put it this way. I don't want to interject, but I'm going to. If defendant violates any of the rules and regulations, plaintiff may file a affidavit and motion to reinstate the case, at which point the court will reinstate the case, and then we'll go through trial if we need to. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, since you're unrepresented, you have 3. Now, this can be a conditional dismissal. So you're agreeing to this?
Yeah.
You understand you have 3 business days, even though it's not a judgment, since you're unrepresented by a lawyer, to file a motion to set aside the dismissal. And you also had 10 days to appeal this. Do you understand that? Do you have any questions? Mr. Lechner, how do you propose to carry this out? Are you going to email it to her?
I'm tracking this right now. I asked Ms. Spicer for her permission to send her presentation electronically to the conditional dismissal today.
Yeah.
I'm going to show her before I'm going to show her after I'm done. You type your stuff. Then I can e-file.
Perfect. Ms. Spicer, stay out of trouble over there. Mind your P's and Q's, will you please?
Yes.
All right. So I wish you well. I really do. I don't want to see you back here on a violation of that. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you. Good luck. Can you call in those other gals?